In geometric dimensioning and tolerancing (GD&T), geometric characteristic symbols are used to represent various features and characteristics of a part or assembly. These symbols are used in conjunction with dimensions and tolerances to define the desired shape, size, and orientation of features. Here are some common geometric characteristic symbols. 1. Straightness. Straightness symbol indicates a straight feature, like a line or axis. 2. Flatness. Flatness symbol indicates a flat feature, like a planar surface. 3. Circularity. Circularity symbol indicates a circular feature, like a hole or cylinder. 4. Cylindricity. Cylindricity symbol indicates a cylindrical feature, like a shaft or sleeve. 5. Sphericity. Sphericity symbol indicates a spherical feature, like a ball or sphere. 6. Concentricity. Concentricity symbol indicates that two or more features share a common center. 7. Symmetry. Symmetry symbol indicates that a feature is symmetrical about a specified axis or plane. 8. Parallelism. Parallelism symbol indicates that two or more features are parallel to each other. 9. Perpendicularity. Perpendicularity symbol indicates that two or more features are perpendicular to each other. 10. Angularity. Angularity symbol indicates a specific angular relationship between features. These geometric characteristic symbols are used in GD&T to define the desired shape, size, and orientation of features, ensuring that parts are manufactured accurately and fit together properly.